want a belly rub? Oh yeah. Okay, so I obviously have my workout clothes on because I was going to work out this morning, but kind of change of plans have happened. So instead I'm gonna work out later. I have a meeting at my office, so I'm just gonna bring my workout clothes now to the office and then work out there after my meetings. So that also just kind of, yeah, changes the day. So right now I'm gonna get ready. I have an incredible dentist appointment. So excited. I hate the dentist. It's probably my least favorite place to go, but I'm going. So yeah, we're rolling with it. So I'm gonna get ready and then we'll head to the dentist. Okay, so I'm just arriving at my office. My dentist appointment went really long. I have 4 cavities, which is just awesome. It's just awesome. So I was gonna go home and get all of my things, like to bring to the office, but the plans are just changing and you just gotta flow. And you guys really get the real flow when I feel like when I vlog. Shelby on my team is going and grabbing my laptop and things I need for this meeting, so I wasn't insanely late. But that means that my workout stuff is gonna be at home. So I'll probably just have to work out at home. And then she's also grabbing me a smoothie because I am so hungry. So we're just gonna get a quick smoothie so that I can survive until I go home and make lunch and all that good stuff. Yep.
This is what we're talking about.
That's what we want, the goods.
This is me vlogging today.
Oh, I want the cam.
Perfect. Did you have a good
Say hi to mom.
play date?
Say hi to mom.
You had a good play date?
Say hi to mom.
I just got home and I'm so hungry. This is where meal prepping comes in hand. I made this crock pot chicken, I think like 2 days ago. And then I'm going to use frozen rice. The only thing I think I will have to actually make is the zucchini because I made this. So what I'm gonna make is a Mexican bowl. So easy. Literally the hardest part of the Mexican bowl is the protein, which I've already pre-made. I'll show on Instagram I made it, but it's so freaking easy. And I just mixed it in with salsa. So this is super convenient. And I always feel like when I'm too lazy to cook, having the protein at least made, I don't know why, just makes it seem so much easier. So the other night I had spinach as the green in it and it just wasn't fulfilling enough. So I think I'm actually gonna use these 2 zucchinis that I need to use anyway because they look like they're about to not be good anymore. So I'm gonna make these. Besides that, I'm just gonna heat up the rice. I'm gonna heat up some beans. I can't tell. I might do lentils and maybe some corn. This I just heat up in the microwave. Again, you guys, this is a really great meal for when you're just so hungry, you don't feel like ordering in and you just want to cook something quick. This is it. I was just thinking about, especially when you're hungry, it is so important to have some like essentials in your fridge, because that is the moment where I mean, snack more or really just like go for those things that maybe I don't even want, but I'm just like, I'm so hungry or I'm so lazy to cook. And that is why meal prepping is so huge. And not even saying like I'm amazing at it. Like if you guys watch a lot of my videos, I feel like you guys see that like even in my busy days, sometimes like I am ordering in, I didn't meal prep. Like I'm not saying I'm the best at it, but every time like this moment where I did meal prep, I remember why I do it and why it actually makes such a big difference. And the more that you get comfortable with doing it, the easier it'll get and the less time it'll take to do the meal prepping, but it saves you so much time through the week. I feel like that was like truly my biggest thing that helped me really get on track of like what my nutrition goals were, or just picking better options, feeling better throughout the day. It was like really, meal prepping was so big. So I'm gonna make my Mexican bowl. Biggest thing is your bowl can be anything you want and like what makes you excited. Also, how good are these bowls? Helen, my friend, just did a collab with Fable, and these are like stunning, that bright white that you want. But it's ceramic, it's so cute, I'm obsessed. Okay, I'm gonna make my bowl. So these were just all items that I had in the house. If I was making my dream Mexican bowl, I probably would love if there was tomatoes in here, or if there's peppers, but I didn't have all those things. Usually on a Friday, which is today, when it's getting towards the end of the week, I'm really working with like the bare minimum, just because you kind of are eating all the meals throughout the week. So I'm working with what I got, but like feeling good about it. And JT already ate, so luckily do not have to feed him because I don't think I have enough. Because it is a Friday night, JT and I love to order in after like cooking all week. So I got this Brazilian place I love, which was chicken, veggies, some plantains, and black beans. It is 10 out of 10. Okay, so pretty much this is JT and I's favorite dessert right now. Definitely more JT, but it is banana bread.
What does that mean?
I mean, you are like actually obsessed with it. I really do love it, but he is like wants it every single night. But pretty much it's just healthy banana bread, or healthier. So it is dairy-free, vegan, gluten-free, but it really does have the best texture I've ever tried from a dessert, especially making it at home. So you just buy them in bags. So we made like little muffins out of them, but they're really good. This one's
They're really good, guys. They're salted
caramel. You look like twins.
We are twins.
So good. And then we put this dough-enhanced hazelnut butter cacao on top, which is also vegan and gluten-free, and it's so good. So we just melt this on top of it. It's 10 out of 10. So I'm gonna have that for dessert.
You get one, and I have the
Eat
rest.
whole thing?
Well, I get 5, and you get 1.
I don't think so.
There's yours. And I'll see you in the morning, okay? I love you.
Okay. There's mine. It is the next morning, and it is the morning of my engagement party tonight. So JT and I are gonna celebrate our love, which I'm so excited. We're going to my family's house and have just like our close friends, close family coming. But I wanted to get a workout in this morning because, as you can see, yesterday I did not get to work out, and I guess these vlogs are just so important because it really just shows my day where I am by no means perfect at getting a workout in every time when I say I'm going to. The lesson that I learned from yesterday was I should have just done it early morning before everything started, but I thought that I would have time after my meeting since I was coming to my office. But since my dentist appointment was so late, it just pushed everything forward. So our meeting ended up going late, then I had to get home. So it is so okay, it happens. And this is how you kind of like learn your schedule, learn what works for you the best. So for me, it's when I have a busy day, it is best to get it done with in the morning so that I'm not trying to work it in later. But again, it is so chill. So now I'm going to just do a little workout this morning so I feel good. My body just feels like energized and like it got some movement in today. Any like anxious feelings, look good in my dress, you know, all the things. So I think I'm gonna do a lower body today. That was what I was supposed to do yesterday. So I'm gonna get into that. I usually take it slower on the weekends. I usually would do outdoor walks or hikes or going on a bike ride or even just like stretching and slowing down my movement. If I did wake up feeling like, oh, I could really get a workout in, maybe I would do just like a little full body, a little abs, something like that. Since I didn't work out yesterday, I am gonna do more of an intense one this morning. So we're gonna get the show on the road. Just finished with my workout. Literally did a 20-minute booty and abs. I'm dripping sweat, feeling so good. It's crazy what you can get done in that amount of time, because then you're not wasting your time checking your phone or waiting too long in between sets. Like, this is why I love follow along workouts and like timed workouts, because I just get so much more done in a short amount of time. Oh, feels so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, a little mix of what I eat in a day plus a little vlog. As always, let me know what you guys want to see next. You are the best.